Okay, so we are now here to our next example. So we have x squared is equal to negative 12y. So remember in our part 1, we have the example for y squared is equal to 4bx. In this example, the standard equation is in x squared is equal to 4py. So you have to remember that the left side of the variable with squared will always be our guide, such that for us to determine what standard form of the equation of a parabola atong gamiton. Okay. Now, for x squared equal to negative 12y, again, the same process, we need to find our p. So again, our p is, you just need to divide the numerical coefficient of your equation by 4. So our numerical coefficient is negative 12. So again, that's negative 12. You divide it by 4. So the answer is negative 3. And that is the value for your p. So please do remember, after ni mo kuha sa p, you can now determine your focus. So the focus for x squared equal to negative 12y in terms of the standard form x squared equals to 4py is 0p. So therefore, if the focus is at 0p, the focus is now 0 with the value of p, which is negative 3. Okay, ana lang siya. Our next step is to find the endpoints of the latus rectum. So ako lang i-abbreviate ang endpoints of the latus rectum into ELR para madali ta. So the formula to solve for the endpoints of the latus rectum, if you can still remember sa first natong example, p, positive negative 2p. Since x squared na magbalihon na to, so maguna ang positive negative 2p and then p. Okay? So ana lang siya ang formula sa endpoints of the latus rectum in terms of x squared equals to 4py. So ato ang i-breakdown. So you have 2p and p, while the other one is negative 2p and p. Okay, so just simply substitute the given with the value of your p, which is negative 3. So you have 2 times p, which is negative 3, so that is 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6, comma, and your p is negative 3. Okay, so we have already one of the endpoint. The other one is negative 2 times p. So that is negative 2 times negative 3. So negative 2 times negative 3, that is positive 6. While your p is negative 3. So we have now the endpoints of the latus rectum. So after the focus, after the endpoints, we now need to find for the directrix. Okay? So the directrix is kay x man tong last nato nya y squared diri, kay x squared man diri, vice versa bali na sad ang directrix y na pud na equals to negative p. Okay? So your directrix y is equal to negative and your p is negative 3. Okay, so therefore your directrix y is equal to negative times negative 3 is equal to positive 3. And these are the following nga ato ang buhaton. So lahos na lang ta. Let's go now to the graph. Okay? So in graphing this one, again, sinsya ilan jud kaayo kung dili kayo perfect. Pero atong i-try nga nindot pud tan-awon ang ato ang graph. Okay, so I have here the coordinates of the Cartesian coordinate plane. So nagbuhat pa ta para nindot sad. So ang first step natong buhaton is to again plot first the vertex. We all know in this standard form, the vertex will always be at the origin. So automatic na ana siya sa origin ng vertex. Ang next step na to is to plot the focus. So the focus is 0, negative 3. Asa mang 0, negative 3. So this is 0. Ang negative 3 nga y, asa man? Sa ubos. So you just count 1, 2, and 3. So this is your focus. At this point, you need to plot also the endpoints of the latus rectum. So after focus, after sa vertex, the endpoints na put sa latus rectum. So the endpoint 1 is -6, -3. So I think ako pa ning i-extend. Kinakuangan. So magnakuangan ang ato ang graph sa akong extend. So since kay kung heavy gamay. So you have -6 and -3. So asang -6 nasa x left side. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then -3 nasa ubos. So just count 1, 2, 3. Okay? Well, the other endpoint is 6 and -3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So again, this is the coordinate 6 and 3. So this one is the coordinate for -6 and 3. Okay. Now at this point, atong i-double check, no? So before we will start graphing, we all know for x squared equals to 4py, ang iyang graph, it's either going upward or facing upward or facing downward. Now, if your p is greater than 0, your parabola is facing upward, while if your p is less than 0, it is facing downward. Sa atong case karon, your p is less than 0, which means your parabola will be facing downward. So we will check. So again, atong i-connect ang dot gikan sa one of the endpoints going to the vertex. I'm sorry. Okay, akong i-erase kay murag na lapas gamay. I'm sorry. So okay. And then going to the other endpoint, then atong i-extend. So sinsya kayo kay lisod kayo non ang porma nato ani. And then after that one, okay, so ako pa ning i-erase og tarong kay mura magbati tan-awo, no. So kailangan choice na tan-awo nato ang graph. Okay. Yan. So next step nato is after the endpoints, so double check, no, is our parabola facing downward? Yes. Okay, it facing downward. Our next step is to plot the directrix. So again, a directrix is actually a line that is perpendicular with the axis of symmetry. Kumitag axis of symmetry, that is a line that intersects the vertex as well as the focus. In our graph, again, the focus is actually found at the opening of the vertex or the parabola. So, ingon guta, the parabola opens, the focus will be devoured by the parabola. Murag kanon siya sa parabola. Okay? So, ang directrix na to, y is equal to 3. Asa mang y is equal to 3? Na asa babaw. So, you just have 1, 2, 3. Tara. Okay? Then, we all know that directrix is actually a line that is perpendicular with the axis of symmetry. So, again, axis of symmetry, perpendicular, mean to see atong i-intersect. Okay? So, sinsya kayo, no? Kay bati kayo. Y equals positive 3. So, okay? And then, the endpoints of the latus rectum atong i-connect to form the latus rectum itself. Okay? So, again, the length of the latus rectum from the endpoints to the other endpoint is equal to 4p. So, may tag 4p, that is equal to 4 times -3, that is 12. So, remember, even if your p is equal to -3, when we mean by a length, it always be an absolute number, which means positive siya. Muna, positive 12 siya instead of -12. Kay length man siya. So, i-double check na to kung 12 ba. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so therefore, check 12 siya. Another thing, based on my video, is to check ang p nimo kay -3. Again, ang p na to, kung mag-length ta, kalayon, will always be a positive number. So, we all know, ang vertex padung sa focus is equal to p. So, ato i-check daw. So, gikan sa vertex, 1, 2, 3, check. Again, ang length is always positive. So, gikan na po sa vertex padung sa directrix, equal to p, or 3. So, just have 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, naklaro na to siya. Nga sakto gyud ang p na to, 3 ang length, 3 ang length. Okay? So, please do remember the following examples. Thank you and God bless.